All these hacks you see on social media, do these hacks really work? Or is it a gimmick? Or what do you think? In today's video, I thought I would test 3 different hacks, but the results should be similar. I can share a secret that there is only one hack that worked for me. Keep on watching and you will find out which hack it is. If we start looking at the hack, you should have painted the nail a pink color and then take a light pink color and apply it to the nail. I assume that you harden the nail between each layer. Since it is not shown in the video, I assume so. Otherwise, this hack is already doomed to failure before we even start. In the next step, we will make 4 stripes. We start with the color white, then pink, darker pink, and end with the color white. To get the pattern we are looking for, you should use a nail decoration chain and apply it lightly, where you have just applied the color, and then pull it carefully to be able to get to the pattern we are aiming for. I have applied randomly different patterns on the nail and hardened the nail. Now we apply matte top coat, and then we apply the silver nail strips on the nail. Finish by applying top coat where you have applied the silver nail strips. This hack gets a thumbs up from me. It worked perfectly, and what a beautiful pattern it turned out. What do you think? This hack I had the most trouble with, and I tried different variations with pulling the chain or the amount of color I added, and the results were not the same. I tried doing it at least 5 times with the results not being the same, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. You are more than welcome to leave a comment in the comments field and tell me if the hack worked for you, or if you have any tips for me. This hack gets a thumbs down from me. On the last hack, I also had problems getting it to work. I think that maybe the problem was the string itself. The string I used was thinner than the one we see in the hack. So maybe the hack works, but you need a thicker string to be able to make the pattern. I'm going to test this again, but with a thicker string. The conclusion I can draw is that it doesn't work if you use a thin string. I will give this hack neither a thumbs up nor a thumbs down. Testing hacks was actually pretty fun. What did you think? Feel free to let me know if there's any particular hack you want me to try. Until next time, take care and thanks for watching.